Good morning from a very hot Netherlands. Today it's code red in the Netherlands, 40 degrees. So very hot. And we have a very special Bimota arriving here. It's the Bimota in Tricolore, the YB8 Evoluzione. And in this color combination only 24 are made. And it's like new. In total 169 of the Evoluzione are produced. And in this color, so only 24. Really special bike. We're going to unload it. You see 20,829 kilometers. The bike has German papers and is in top condition. What a beauty. And the Evoluzione has more horsepower than the standard one. We'll give you all exact numbers. It's faster. Okay. Well, we're going to make a video starting the bike up. It will be video number 2. So check the next video. And we will make a lot of pictures and specifications of the bike. Okay, thank you for now. Bye bye. Good morning from the Netherlands. We have a beautiful Bimota YB8 Evoluzione. This in the Tricolore edition is only 24 are produced. And in total something like 169. Very special bike. Just arrived. It's in top condition. It's a very beautiful bike. The temperature here now today will be 40 degrees. It's so hot. Here it comes. We have another YB8 also, but it's the standard one. And this one is much faster. Beautiful bike. Very nice. 20,830 kilometers only. See, all original. So if you're interested in this bike, You can visit us in the Netherlands, in the south. You can schedule a video call, and the bike will be online I think next week, but you can contact us for more information and price. We ship worldwide, no problem at all. If you like the video, please subscribe and visit the website vintagemotorcycles.nl. Thank you, bye bye.